Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a drop-down menu in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. After which, after connecting, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here, under which we can find all the websites we can access that we have under our account. So I'm going to open up this website right here where I want to create a drop-down menu. By clicking the website option, it's going to open it up right here in a new tab where now I can get started seeing all the options I can access. You can see here's my website section, my products, invoicing, and so on. And this is what I have to do to get started with adding a drop-down menu for our pages. Basically guys, what we want to do first is go ahead and open up the pages section right here under website. Open up pages, and after opening up your pages, this is going to open up this main menu where you can take a look at all the pages you have under your main navigation and so on. And here what we want to do now, under main navigation, you want to click this plus button. By clicking on this plus button guys, you can see this is now going to enable us to add a collection to our pages. And once you scroll down in this menu guys, you can see one of the options is going to be called drop down. So what you want to do is open up drop down. As you can see, this is going to enable us to organize and show more pages. Click drop down, and now you can go ahead and add a new drop down menu where you can select everything you want to add to your drop down menu and see how it's going to look. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.